Hi, we've got a new feature in Scanning Wizard that I wanted to show you today. It's using auditory scanning, and that can help you accommodate people who have difficulty spelling and also those who may have visual impairments of various kinds. So I just want to show you quickly how that works. We're here on the starting overview screen of Scanning Wizard, and I'm just going to go right to a scan test here, just to show you this particular feature. So we're going to skip some of the initial steps of a typical Scanning Wizard session. So we've got all these different settings for how the scan test can work, and at the bottom here we've got Auditory Scan. By default, it's not going to speak during scanning, so we'll check that box. And we actually have two choices here. A voiceover mode, which is sort of like on the on iOS or MacBook, speaks what's displayed. And let's look at that one first. Okay, so here we're going to have some descriptions of how the test works. I just want to show it to you. So this is a practice test to start off with, and I'm going to hit my switch to start it. And what should happen is we've got this alphabetic array here, this grid of characters. So for each row, as it scans, it's going to tell me what's in that row. And as it moves through them, it'll tell me what's in the row, so that I can hear it, as well as use my vision to the extent that I can to see it. But it just supports that by telling me what's being scanned.
A to period. E to question mark. I to N. O to T.
Now I want the I.
U to C.
So I'm going to wait till it wraps around again to get to the I, and you'll hear it say the word I.
I to N.
I hit the switch again and I've got it.
E to question mark. I to N. O to T. U to C. A to period. A. B.
Speaking each letter.
C. D. Space. A to period.
That's the space character.
E to question mark.
So that's the basic way that the voiceover mode works for auditory scanning. Now let me briefly show you how the guided mode works. So that's actually going to say what I should do. Rather than tell me what's being scanned, it'll tell me that I should wait until it gets to the row that has the target. It'll tell me to hit the switch. Let me just show you how that works. So again, this is the practice test, but for our purposes it works well to show what's going on. I hit the switch to start the test.
Wait. Wait.
So don't hit the switch.
Hit.
Hit.
Hit. Wait. 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 Hit.
Hit. Okay.
Wait. 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 Hit. Hit. Wait.
Okay, so that's the idea there. Instead of making me know what the target is, having me find it, it's just boiled the task down to extremely basic. Do I wait? When do I hit the switch? And it will actually tell you. So that's really kind of nice for someone who's really an emerging user of scanning, to just simplify that task and kind of start there and see how that goes for a person. So that gives you a quick wrap up of how auditory scanning works with Scanning Wizard, and I hope you'll give it a try and let us know at hhk@kpronline.com what you think of it. Thanks.